Today is a special video tutorial. I am going to make an experimental drink. I saw this on YouTube and also on TikTok, and I say, wow, that sounds really gross. Now, I try to avoid gross coffee in my channel, but then I don't mind trying this out. It is Brazilian iced coffee. Brazilian iced coffee sounds really dodgy, because in Brazil, it is not popular to have iced coffee. Brazilians are more into hot coffee and those small shots of espresso. So I am not sure whether it really is Brazilian, but then it's called Brazilian iced coffee. And what does Brazilian iced coffee mean? What's in there? Well, it is chocolate milk. I'm going to make my own chocolate milk using fresh milk, any milk of choice, and chocolate sauce. And then my espresso, my coffee beans, which is medium to dark roast. And then the one that is really, really weird for me is Coca Cola. So this Brazilian iced coffee has Coca Cola in it. Can you use Pepsi? Well, I suppose you can. So what it needs will be a single shot of espresso and then chocolate milk and then your Coke. Now, for my single shot of espresso, I'm going to use a dose of 10 grams and then a yield of 20 grams. That means a ratio of 1:2. So let's go ahead and pull our espresso shot. So before that, I am going to grind my coffee. Ten grams of my ground coffee here. Distribute and temp. And I'm going to pull 20 grams. So again, using a proportion of 1:2. One shot of espresso here. So we are ready to assemble the drink. And then I'm sure you are all waiting to hear how this coffee tastes like. Now I am going to make my own chocolate milk. You can also buy a ready-made chocolate milk, but this time I just want to make it myself. Okay, so here I'd like it to be more chocolatey than your regular chocolate milk that are available in the market. So I'm going to use 75 ml of my fresh milk here. And to this I'm going to add about 25 ml, so making it 100 ml of chocolate milk. So I'm using a commercial brand here, Hershey's. This is easily accessible everywhere in the world, I would think. So bring it up to 100. Okay, so stir. And I read in one of the videos that I watch on making Brazilian coffee that he wishes it's more chocolatey. So that's why I'm making my own one. Look at that color. Delicious. Now this is delicious, and my coffee is guaranteed to also be delicious, but adding Coca Cola, we'll soon find out. Okay, now let's assemble our drink. It's time for the moment of truth. Let's give this a try. Wish me luck. Oh my. Wow. It's something like I've never tried before, but it is tasting rather nice, I must say. The coffee is a hint. Well, of course, we only use one shot, but somehow the combination of amazing. All you have to do is to give it a try. I wouldn't necessarily add this to my menu, but if you're looking for something like flavor of the month, especially for summer months and very, very hot summer months like we are having right now, then I would say this is a perfect recipe. Don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. And I'm really, really happy that I did this today, because I can say that I am pleasantly delighted. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.